Marshall JCM2000 dual super lead. Not switching channels. Well, that's no longer the case because we've isolated the root cause. We got the culprits in hand, or in finger, as it were. Thank you for tuning back into another episode of Forgotten Gear Restoration. Really, it's not an episode, it's just a quick update, a happy one. So let's get it on. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Hey, look, another Friday. You guys made it. Hopefully with all your follicles in place. See you on the other side of this voiceover. Bye. All right, now we have restored channel switching. What happened? Well, let me tell you. We have fuses F1 and F2 were open as a result of capacitors C20 and C21 filtering that little regulated supply, from Zener diode 1 and 2, the plus and minus 15. These guys are a 16 volt, 1000 microfarad caps, and they had shorted. Now, let's move back over this way. I don't have time for a sound sample, but we'll get that done. And what can we see? Well, not much, right? But it's switching over there. Let me break this thing free. I gotta show it to you. All right. There we go. We have 2 millivolts of ripple on both positive and negative 15 volt rails. It's holding steady at 14.5 volts DC. That's perfect. That's extremely low ripple. Super clean supplies. I'm happy. And you can see here, we have beautiful Panasonic caps here. They're going to last a long time and serve you well. I'm going to go through the rest of the amp to make sure everything is cool before I button her back up. But I can tell you also that these EL34s are a little old. These are the originals that came with it. These old Svetlanas, wonderful tubes. But you can see the base here. There's a bit of a gradient to the color there where it goes dark brown to the more reddish hue there. And when new, this is the color you'd expect, but these guys have been baking for quite some time. And that color shift going more and more dark as you go north there is due to heat from tons of operating cycles. But if they're noisy and if they're not noisy and producing good power and output, then keep them. So we'll get to the audio check probably tomorrow or maybe even tonight for all I know. So hope this finds you guys well out there. Bye-bye.